Long adored by many onlookers, hummingbirds are one of the most elegantly adorned species of birds in the world. They are known for their ability to hover in mid-air by rapidly flapping their wings, 15 to 80 times per second. With the exception of insects, hummingbirds, while in flight, have the highest metabolism of all animals. Their heartbeat can reach as high as 1,260 beats per minute. Although found mainly in the Americas and in close proximity, their variety as a species makes them a favorite of many bird lovers all over the world. Although they get much of their nutrients from eating insects, in order to sustain their high metabolisms, hummingbirds rely on a steady diet of nectar from flowers. But, as can be seen here, they do not mind at all drinking artificial nectar from man-made feeders. Using spider webs and other plant material, most species will make a neatly woven nest in a tree branch. There, the female will lay, in most cases, 2 white eggs and will continue to raise her hatchlings until their departure. As a result, the cycle of life will continue for this small yet hardy bird, and will no doubt make the way for many more admiring eyes to continue enjoying their beauty.